Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how we can create a column with the help of other available columns, and we will also see how we can split the columns by delimiters, by characters and by positions. So stay tuned, like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you can never miss any video from Kodegems. Let's get started. First we will import the Excel dataset, and we will go to find the folder, and this is our data set. It will take some time to load into the Power Query, or you can say a navigator. So here you go, you have the sheet name 1 and you have first name, last name in our Excel sheet. So what we're gonna do, from the help of these columns, we will create another column with the name called full name. And before loading into the Power BI desktop, we will transform it into the Power Query editor. First of all, you can see over here the column number 1 and column number 2, the headers are with this name. So if we want to make the first row as headers, so we have to go over here, use first row as headers, click over here. So you can see we have first name and last name. Now we will add the column, the third column. We will go over here in the add column, click the custom column. So we have the window over here, we can define a DAX expression to make a new column. I will get the name, full name, and use these available columns area to create a new formula for creating a new column. First name, I will make it insert, and we'll use ampersand to bind these columns. And second one is last name, and use ampersand sign and give a space over here. Now hit OK. So here you can see we have successfully created the full name column. Now I will go to home and apply and close to see the view in our Power BI desktop. It will take some time to apply the changes. You can see over here we have the data set available. We can also rename the field like names. I have renamed the table, and you can see over here we have first name, last name, and the third column that we have created from the expression, the full name is available. Now I will use this table visualization to represent or view our columns, first name, last name, and the full name. So here you can see we have 3 columns available. So in this way we can add the columns in the Power BI dataset. Now we will see how we can split the columns by delimiters or by characters or by positions. We will go back into the data, and here you can see we have full name, last name, and the first name. Our goal is to separate the first name and the last name from the final column that we have created with the name, the full name. Now we will go back into transform this data set into the Power Query, and you can see over here we have the data. We will right click it and go to split column and split by delimiter. So delimiters could be colon, comma, equal sign, semicolon, space, and tab, and you can also define your custom delimiters. Right now I will split the column by space, and leftmost delimiter split at this, and hit OK. You can see over here we have successfully split the columns. The first name is in the first column and the last name is in the second column. Now I will remove what we have done so far, and we will see the second type of split column, and this is called the by number of characters. So here, if I want to take only first three characters of the full name, so what I'll do, I write the number 3 over here and split once as far left as possible. So you can see over here the full name with the 3 characters has been splitted in this column, and other ones are in the different columns. I will again remove what I've done so far and see what will happen with the third option of the split columns by positions. So the window has been pop up. If I want to take first 2 characters, or you can say I want to take first 2 positions in one column and separate them from the other, I will provide the position to 2 and then hit OK. So you can see over here we have 2 position in the first column. So guys, in this way we can easily create columns and split them as we need it. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you can never miss the video by Kodegems. Bye.